Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video for you guys on how to make salmon cakes or salmon croquettes. These are absolutely delicious, quick and easy. For me, this was eaten with my ranch baked rice. The link for that will be in the description box. It was absolutely delicious and I just can't wait for you guys to try it. The fun part, it was so easy. Yep. So here I have my salmon washed and diced. I'm adding some of my amazing house green seasoning. The link for that will be in the description box. All right, we are going to season this well. Everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. We are going to marinate this salmon very well, or you can season it to your likeness. I'm going to add my salmon chunks or cubes to my food processor and process this. Make sure to leave some chunks of salmon there. I really don't like mine too smooth. Then I'm going in with some of my sauteed onion and bell peppers there, and I am going to add a little bit more of that green seasoning just because it's absolutely amazing. All right, great flavor. Add some mayonnaise and some breadcrumbs and 1 egg, and you are going to mix everything well until it is really well combined. And if you want to use your hand, that is just fine. Awesome. This is good for me. Now I'm using one of my what you call it, my donut cutter. And I want all of my salmon cakes to have, be nice and even. But I do believe this one was a little too big, so I switched my shapes to one smaller than this. So it was amazing. And this is what they all looks like here. Beautiful. Now to a preheated pan, I'm using some grapeseed oil, and we are going to add our salmon down. I shake the pan like that so it does not stick to the bottom, and it has a really good crust you're looking for in your salmon cakes. Oh my, I just can't wait for y'all to try this one. I do have another method. I'll do some other time for y'all. Okay, then we're going to cook for about 3 minutes on each side and remove. Awesome. There they are, and that's it guys, it's done. So if you guys like this video, find it interesting, please do not forget to like it, subscribe, share. Love you guys. Bye-bye.